Want to build muscle, stay full longer and still enjoy Indian food? Here's a high-protein Indian meal plan, simple, tasty and packed with nutrients. Whether you're a vegetarian or not, there's something here for you. Let's see. Breakfast. Start your day with moong dal chila stuffed with paneer. Moong dal gives you plant-based protein and fiber, while paneer adds healthy fats and even more protein. Serve with mint chutney and a cup of chai made with low-fat milk. This combo will keep you full and energized all morning. Mid-morning snack. For mid-morning snack, go for Greek yogurt with chia seeds and a few almonds. It's a gut-friendly, high-protein snack that's easy to prep and super satisfying. Lunch. Lunch is all about balance. Pair grilled chicken tikka or tofu if you're a vegetarian with quinoa pulao and cucumber raita. Quinoa is one of the few ingredients that's a complete protein, and raita cools your system and supports digestion. Evening snack. Time for a clean protein-packed snack. Go for roasted black chana, and if you're a non-vegetarian, add a boiled egg. Or keep it veg with a sprout salad loaded with fiber and protein. Dinner. Dinner should be delicious and light. Go for palak paneer for protein, iron and calcium with a side of mixed veggies, 1 or 2 fulkas and a fresh green salad. It's a satisfying end to your high protein day without feeling heavy. This full day adds up to around 100 to 120 grams of protein, perfect for muscle gain, fat loss or just staying energized. Which one is your favorite meal? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos.